Customizing Branding in Hubspot. Welcome to today's video on customizing branding in Hubspot, where we'll explore the various ways to personalize your brand's visual identity and make it stand out in a crowded marketplace. In this video, we'll dive into the different branding options available in Hubspot, including logos, color schemes, and typography, and provide you with practical tips on how to implement them effectively. HubSpot offers a range of customization options for your brand's visual identity, allowing you to create a unique and recognizable brand image. One of the most important aspects of branding is your logo, which should be consistent across all your marketing materials. In HubSpot, you can upload your custom logo and set it as your brand's default logo, ensuring that it appears consistently across all your websites and marketing campaigns. Another key aspect of branding is your color scheme, which should reflect your brand's personality and values. HubSpot allows you to choose from a range of pre-designed color schemes or upload your own custom colors. You can also adjust the brightness and saturation levels to ensure that your colors are consistent across all your marketing materials. Typography is another crucial element of branding, as it can greatly impact the overall look and feel of your brand. In HubSpot, you can choose from a range of pre-designed fonts or upload your own custom fonts. You can also adjust the font sizes, styles, and colors to ensure that your typography is consistent across all your marketing materials. In addition to these visual elements, HubSpot also allows you to customize your brand's messaging and tone. You can create custom messaging templates and adjust the tone and language to ensure that it aligns with your brand's values and personality. By customizing your branding in HubSpot, you can create a unique and recognizable brand image that sets you apart from your competitors.